Much. Much is used with uncountable nouns to indicate a large amount or quantity. It is often used in negative sentences and questions. Examples. She doesn't have much experience in cooking. How much sugar do we need for the recipe? There isn't much time left before the deadline. Many. Many is used with countable nouns to indicate a large number or quantity. It is used in positive sentences and questions. Examples. Many people attended the concert last night. How many apples are left in the basket? There are many reasons to be grateful for. A lot of. A lot of is an informal phrase used with both countable and uncountable nouns to indicate a large amount or quantity. It is used in positive sentences and questions. Examples. She has a lot of friends who support her. There is a lot of traffic on the roads during rush hour. He has a lot of work to do before the end of the day. Lots of. Lots of is another informal phrase used with both countable and uncountable nouns to indicate a large amount or quantity. It is used in positive sentences and questions. Examples. There are lots of opportunities for growth in this company. She has lots of energy to tackle any challenge that comes her way. I have lots of books on my reading list for this month.